Is Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort right for you? Let's take a look. Cabana Bay is an impressive resort, falling under the Value Inn and Suites category of Universal's resorts. It features a retro beach theme and offers quite a variety of amenities. Inside the large main lobby is where you'll find most guest services. The check-in desk is large and equipped to handle a good number of guests.
Here you will also find the vacation planning desk for any ticket needs, and the Universal gift shop. Here you can find theme park merchandise as well as Cabana Bay specific souvenirs.
Cabana Bay has a good number of dining options. In the lobby, you'll find the Swizzle Lounge, featuring adult beverages.
Starbucks has coffee and quick bites.
The main dining location for this resort is the Bayliner Diner. In this food court-style cafeteria, you'll find breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and a variety of snack options.
In the Lazy River Courtyard, you'll find the Hideaway Bar and Grill, featuring adult beverages and quick service food options.
Additionally, in the Cabana Courtyard, you'll find the Atomic Grill, offering a similar assortment of selections.
Back inside, you'll find Shake's Malt Shop, offering milkshakes, malts, and ice cream.
Last but not least, the Galaxy Bowl offers table service dinner and snacks in a bowling alley setting. As I said before, Cabana Bay offers many amenities. The aforementioned Galaxy Bowl is also a full-service bowling alley. Reservations are recommended.
There is also the Game-O-Rama Arcade.
Like all other Universal Orlando resort hotels, Cabana Bay has an exceptional fitness center.
This resort has 2 pools and a lazy river, the first of which is the Cabana Courtyard Pool, featuring a slide.
The Lazy River Courtyard features a pool and a lazy river. Rent or bring your own inner tube.
There are also hot tubs.
Cabana Bay offers a number of different room types. Here is the interior entry 2-queen standard room.
Other room options include interior and exterior entry family suites, featuring a kitchenette and sleeping up to 6, and Volcano Bay view rooms where you overlook Universal Volcano Bay Water Park.
Transportation options include a walkway to Volcano Bay Water Park and the Garden Walk to City Walk and the theme parks.
And bus transportation to and from City Walk and the theme parks.
Overall, Universal Cabana Bay Beach Resort is a great budget-friendly option for families visiting Universal Orlando. It offers incredible theming and a lot of amenities. Additionally, early park admission is included in your stay.
Does this sound like the perfect resort for your next Universal Orlando vacation?
Please like this video and hit the subscribe button.